To add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva, let's come over to our templates here and search for resume. And we'll select from these resumes that come up. You want to pick one that works for you. I'm going to select this free resume template here, and I'm going to customize this design. Let me zoom in, and from here you want to add your LinkedIn link here. I'm going to click on this place and select this part that says LinkedIn profile. I'm going to select all of that text, and let's go to our browser to copy our LinkedIn link. So this is me on LinkedIn, and if I want to copy my link, I'll just click on my profile here, and you see that my link is now in the address bar here, or you can just copy it from here. I'll quickly copy this one from the address bar, and I will go back into my design and will come here to paste my LinkedIn link. I'm going to clean out this link that is here and paste in the one I have now. I will click on this part. Let me zoom in so you see what is happening. I will click on this part and step it down, and you can see my link. If I select all of this and I unbold it, I can come back to link here and paste that link again inside the link. Control V it and click on done. So when they now click on that link, it can easily take them to my LinkedIn profile.